What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener on PC. So if you're planning to connect your Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener here on PC, well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to visit the official webpage for DEX Screener, which is dexscreener.com. And also you need to make sure that you've installed Phantom Wallet or your Phantom Wallet in your browser. Now, in this case, I've already installed this, so let's go and click on Phantom Wallet. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to log in into your account. Let's go and provide our password here and click on unlock. And as you can see, we just unlocked our Phantom Wallet. Now, the thing with this one is with DEX Screener, by default, it should use or try to connect with your Phantom Wallet on your browser. That is the default first thing that they'll be looking for. So usually in their official website, as you can see at the bottom left, you have your sign in. Go ahead and just click on it and just choose the connect wallet option. It should open up the verify your account here. Click on sign message and this should open up Phantom Wallet. But just in case it doesn't open up Phantom Wallet here, so especially if you have multiple wallets in your browser, what you need to do is you need to disable all the other wallets here just to make sure that Phantom Wallet is going to be the only one that you'll be seeing here. Let's go open up our extensions at the top right here, click on manage extension, and you want to look for every wallet that you have right now and just basically just disable them. So let's go ahead and disable MetaMask here. So I have a bunch of wallets here. Let's go and disable all of them. So once you've disabled them, let's go and go back into DEX Screener here. And from here, just click on sign message again. Now, it should pop up the Phantom Wallet pop up here. But just in case it doesn't do that, you can go and click on cancel. Close this one, reload DEX Screener, click on continue. And from here, go ahead and just look for the sign in button again at the bottom left. Now click on connect wallet. And from here, choose Phantom Wallet. Click on sign message and should now open up Phantom Wallet. Now go ahead and click on confirm, and that should connect your account. So in this case, we've just connected our Phantom Wallet into DEX Screener, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.